the next exercise, we want to write a code that checks active layer name and pops up the message whether it is you have selected the right layer or wrong based on comparing it with the name zoning. So if you have renamed the layer, you might have to do SF zoning here, or you will have to rename the layer in your QGIS. So here you can just simply put condition, if else condition, where you are checking the active layer name equal to zoning. If it is true, then you will have to give this message, and if not, then you will have to give this message. So you can just simply write if else condition and see whether it's working for you.
Yeah. So we're doing some basic validation in a lot of your code and plugins. You have to do validation. So if you say go and select, your code expects user to select a vector layer. How do you ensure the user has selected a vector layer? So you have to make sure that you do this kind of validation. This exercise is an example of doing this kind of user validation where user has done the correct action.